Hey guys, how's it going? We got some KS Kicker 6x9 3-way speakers here, the coaxial version. We're gonna do a sound demo here, show you how much excursion. The gains have already been set up. We're giving it a full range signal, so basically we don't have a high pass crossover, so basically the mid bass will have excursion to whatever the max limit is on it, but just wanted to see how it sounded, show you guys, and then also how loud it gets. It says it takes 150 watts, but keep in mind it is a silk dome tweeter, so to me it doesn't sound as loud as other speakers. Even though it says 150 watts, I'm giving it 125. I have had speakers that take less power that sounded much louder than this with the same sensitivity rating. But let's go ahead and play a track. I'm not going to do any of that non-copyright stuff. I don't really care, so we'll just play something.
I need it. Move it, lose it, lock it, and repeat it. Pull it out your pocket and defeat it. Got no time for superstars, all these models and fast cars, but this rhythm, I need it. 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 I need it.
Max volume right there, guys. Let's try another track. Alright guys, I'm going to play that song again, but this time I'm going to put it 80 hertz 12 dB crossover and let you guys hear it. Let me know what you guys think. Here we go. Same volume.
So in touch with your
are the KS Kicker Coaxial 3-way speakers. Let me know what you guys think. I think they sound okay. For me, I'd find another speaker. They don't get as loud as I thought they would be, and they don't sound as good as I thought. But if you're upgrading from factory stock crappy speakers, then these would probably sound good. But if you're picky, then I would look for something else. I've heard that the Q series components that Kicker makes are really good, and they sound have good output, and they sound amazing. So if you're a Kicker fan, check those out. Next, we're going to be checking out the GS 6x9 component 6x9 to see how that sounds.